Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about overview of HVAC insulation. HVAC insulation helps maintain energy efficiency by reducing heat transfer and minimizing condensation. It includes materials like fiberglass, foam, and reflective barriers. Fiberglass is common for ducts, while foam provides better thermal resistance. Reflective insulation is used to prevent radiant heat gain or loss. Proper installation is crucial to prevent issues like air leaks and moisture buildup, which can affect system performance and indoor air quality. The first types of insulation used in HVAC systems. 1. Fiberglass insulation. Fiberglass insulation is a popular material used in heating, ventilation, and air conditioning (HVAC) systems, as well as in building construction. It consists of fine glass fibers and is known for its effectiveness in thermal and acoustic insulation. 2. Foam insulation. Foam insulation is a type of insulation material known for its excellent thermal resistance and versatility. It comes in several forms, each suited to different applications. 3. Wool insulation. Mineral wool insulation is made from molten rock, slag, or glass. It offers excellent fire resistance and is also moisture resistant, making it ideal for damp or humid environments. Mineral wool has a high operating temperature range, but it can be more difficult to install and may require special equipment or trained personnel. 4. Reflective insulation. Reflective insulation works primarily by reflecting radiant heat away from the surface. It typically consists of a layer of aluminum foil or another reflective material applied to a substrate like foam board or fiberglass. It's often used in attics, walls, or roofs to reduce heat gain in hot climates. The reflective surface reflects infrared radiation, heat, away from the living space. 5. Radiant barrier insulation. Radiant barriers are designed to reduce heat transfer by reflecting radiant heat away from a space. They typically consist of a layer of reflective material, like aluminum foil, which is installed in the attic or roof space. The next one is maintenance and inspection. Maintaining and inspecting reflective or radiant barrier insulation is important to ensure its effectiveness and longevity. Maintenance 1. Inspect regularly. Check your insulation at least once a year, ideally before the peak of the hot or cold season. Focus on areas that are accessible, such as attics or crawl spaces. 2. Check for damage. Look for signs of damage, such as tears, punctures, or detachment from surfaces. Damage can compromise the insulation's effectiveness. Ensure that there are no signs of moisture or mold, which can deteriorate the insulation material. For radiant barriers, check if moisture has caused the reflective surface to become less effective. 3. Cleanliness. Remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated on the surface of reflective insulation. Dust can reduce its reflectivity. Use a dry cloth or a vacuum with a brush attachment to clean the insulation. Avoid using water or cleaning agents that could damage the reflective surface. Inspection 1. Visual inspection. Check for gaps between the insulation and surrounding structures. Gaps can lead to heat loss or gain, reducing the effectiveness of the insulation. For radiant barriers, make sure the reflective surface is clean and intact. Any scratches or damage could reduce performance. 2. Thermal imaging. Check for gaps between the insulation and surrounding structures. Gaps can lead to heat loss or gain, reducing the effectiveness of the insulation. For radiant barriers, make sure the reflective surface is clean and intact. Any scratches or damage could reduce performance. 3. Check installation. Verify that the insulation is properly installed according to manufacturer guidelines. For radiant barriers, check that there is an appropriate airspace if required. 4. Look for pests. Inspect for signs of pests such as rodents or insects, which can damage insulation materials and create gaps. By keeping up with regular maintenance and inspections, you can ensure that your reflective or radiant barrier insulation continues to perform effectively and contributes to energy efficiency in your building. The last one is design considerations in HVAC insulation. Insulation is a critical component in HVAC design, as it significantly impacts energy efficiency, comfort, and system performance. 1. Operating temperature range. The insulation material must be suitable for the temperature extremes that the HVAC system will experience. This ensures that the insulation maintains its effectiveness without degrading, cracking, or losing its insulating properties over time. 2. Thermal performance. Select insulation materials with appropriate R values to resist heat flow. The R value needed will depend on the climate, building design, and specific application, e.g., ductwork, piping, or equipment. 3. Moisture resistance. Moisture can lead to mold growth, corrosion, and reduced thermal resistance. Therefore, selecting insulation with high moisture resistance is essential. This helps prevent water intrusion and maintains the integrity of the insulation system. 4. Material selection. Choose from various materials like fiberglass, foam board, spray foam, mineral wool, or reflective foil, depending on the application and performance requirements. Ensure the insulation material meets fire safety standards and is suitable for its location. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more insights on related topics. And if you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Leave a comment below, and we'll be more than happy to help you on your journey to success. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.